Speaking Task 1, Listen and Repeat. You will hear a sentence. After you hear it, you will have a short time to repeat it. Try to repeat the sentence exactly as you hear it, with correct pronunciation and intonation. You will hear 7 sentences in total. You hear an announcement about a university event. There is an event today. It will take place in the main hall. The event focuses on environmental awareness and sustainability. Students are encouraged to participate in the interactive activities. The organizers have invited several guest speakers from different fields. Although attendance is optional, many students are expected to join the event. The university hopes this event will raise awareness about important environmental issues among students.